In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add annotation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're marking up slides for a lesson, highlighting key points during a meeting, or jotting quick notes to guide a discussion, annotations can make your presentation clearer and more engaging. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can confidently draw, highlight, and keep the notes you make. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and load the presentation you want to work with. Once your file is open, look along the ribbon at the top and go to the Draw tab. If you don't see a Draw tab, don't worry. You can turn it on by going to File, then Options, then Customize Ribbon. In the right-hand list, check the box for Draw and click OK. The Draw tools will now appear on your ribbon. Next, choose the annotation tool that fits your needs. PowerPoint gives you pen, pencil, and highlighter. The pen and pencil are great for writing or underlining with more precision, while the highlighter is perfect for emphasizing text or areas on a slide without obscuring them. After selecting your tool, pick a color and adjust the thickness so your annotations are easy to see. A contrasting color against your slide background usually works best. You can now annotate directly on your slide. Use your mouse, a touchscreen, or a stylus if your device supports it. This is handy when you're prepping your slides in advance, or if you want certain notes to appear on the static slide itself. Keep your markings simple and intentional so they support your message, not distract from it. If you prefer to annotate live during your presentation, start your slideshow by pressing F5. When you're in full screen mode, right-click anywhere on the slide, hover over pointer options, and choose either pen or highlighter. As you speak, draw on the slide to call attention to important details, outline a process, or circle a key term. Moving between slides will keep your annotations visible on the slides where you added them. When you end the slideshow, PowerPoint will ask whether you want to keep or discard your annotations. Choose Keep if you want those markings saved into the file so they're there the next time you open it. Choose Discard if the drawings were only meant for the live session. That's it. With these tools and a bit of practice, your annotations will enhance clarity and make your presentations more dynamic and memorable.